Babe.
I'm not gonna make it. By the time I get back, it'll probably be about 8 years old. Yeah, 20 right there.
Learn about the animals from the beach, how they swim and dive and blow water through their nose holes. Sit back up in your chair. We're having a nice breakfast. Don't wake him.
What's he doing here?
He's waiting up for you, like he said he would.
Let's go to the beach today.
We don't have enough time to go to the beach.
Not long. But we have to leave right now.
What difference does that make? If he's hiding or if he's lost?
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed
I need you to help me find our son!